Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be an attempt to do a full face of makeup in less than 15 minutes. Now some of you might say 15 minutes is like a good bit of time to do a full face of makeup. No it's not. It normally takes me about an hour to get ready, which I know sounds insane. Whatever, it is what it is. But today, it's going to be done in less than 15 minutes. I don't know how good it's going to look, so, that's just going to be a little surprise for all of us here. I'm not making any promises. I'm just going to make an attempt, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a timer on my phone, and we're just going to see how this plays out here. I've got all my products laid out in front of me already. I had to do that or else there was no way it was going to happen. So, if you're interested in watching me struggle to do a full face of makeup in less than 15 minutes, hang tight. Here we go. All right, you ready? And start. Okay. I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Primerizer. And I do have somewhere to go after this. So I hope it doesn't look too horrendous. All right, done. Whew. I'm going to take the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage for my foundation. Oh God, that might have been way too much. Good. Help me get it on there quicker. This is probably gonna look like crap. I'm just gonna hope that it blends. Like my arm's getting tired. Like I can't tell if this is looking blended. And I don't really have time to care. Oh my God, I'm in 2 minutes already and I've literally just done my foundation. All right, it's getting serious now. Oh no, it's all up in my brows. Oh my gosh, I got foundation everywhere. My forehead's just gonna be very nicely covered. I don't even have anything to wipe this on. Oh crap. Oh, pants it is. All right, next. All right, next is concealer. I'm gonna take the Shape Tape. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. There's no way I'm gonna get this done in 15 minutes. I feel like this is just taking too long just for my base. Ow, I just stabbed myself in the eye. All right, where are we at? Oh God, we're on 4.5 minutes. Okay, what's next? Let's go ahead and prime my lids really quickly. I'm gonna take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I really hope I get this all to blend because right now it's looking a little bit iffy. All right, I am gonna set my eyes. Oh, it itches. All right, what's next? Okay, let's do bronzer. I'm on 5.5 minutes right now, guys. Like, I don't think I ever want to do this again. This is just not enjoyable. Like, part of the reason I like doing my makeup is because it's like relaxing and enjoyable. This is not enjoyable. It's like my heart is racing. Oh God. All right, next. Oh. Okay, next is blush. I'm gonna take the Tarte Amazonian blush in Party. Okay. I'm on 7.5 minutes. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. This is the absolute worst part, for sure. I'm gonna take, oh, it's itching. Oh God. Okay, I don't have time to waste on scratching. I'm gonna do my brows real quick. Like, this is gonna have to be done so quickly if I want to have any kind of eyeshadow on at all. And, oh, my under eyes are looking horrid since I didn't set them. Oh, I love the way these eyeshadows smell. I just wasted like 4 seconds smelling eyeshadow. This is not going well, guys. Not at all. And I plan on filming another video after this, so I hope I don't look like complete garbage. I mean, no, they look bad. Brow Wiz, please save my eyebrows. Oh crap, what's happening? Like I just got Brow Wiz on my temple. Oh my, like my eyebrows are doing something real funny right now. What in the I don't have time to care. This is not going well. Like, I know I need to move on. Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh my god. Okay. Eyeshadow. I got the Give It To Me Straight palette from ColourPop. Oh god, I just need a brush. Okay, I'm going to take a fluffy Morphe brush, and I'm going to dip into a transition shade here. I hope this isn't dirty. It's got to be like a real simple eye look here. All right, we're gonna throw a little bit of shimmer on the lids, and we're gonna have to be done with that because I don't have time to finish. Not my best work by a long shot. Oh my gosh, this looks terrible. Okay, all right. This was a bad idea. This is why I take longer than 15 minutes to do my makeup. Anybody that ever gives me a hard time, now you get it. I just smeared mascara all over my face. Like right now I'd be looking hella crazy. See, the problem is that some people need more than 15 minutes to do their makeup, and I'm one of those people. Like, my eyelashes look crazy. All right, they're looking very spidery, but I'm gonna take some of this Hourglass Ambient Luminous Flush across my cheeks really quickly, just so I can avoid using highlighter. Just gives a nice glow. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw some lipstick on really quickly and I'm done. I know I had one picked out. What did I do with it? What did I do with it? Okay, so I'm right over that 15-minute mark. I'm at 15 minutes and 10 seconds, so I'm gonna go ahead, or 12 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some lipstick on and some gloss, and we're gonna be done with it. I didn't meet my mark. I'm just not very good at applying makeup quickly. Oh, this is matte. Like very matte. Wasn't expecting that. Oh God. Let's just throw some gloss over it and hope it looks better. Holy cow. What is happening? Oh God. I don't know what happened. I feel like Is that it? Are we done? Do I look completely crazy? What do you think, Vanny?
It's not bad.
Huh?
It's not bad.
I feel like it looks like my nose is bleeding right there. You see that?
Where? There's a mark on
Oh
it.
no! What is that?
Is that blood?
The blood of my enemies. My eyebrows look weird.
Your eyebrows? They're like,
I didn't have time to fool with them. They look very weird. They're not like what I'm used to.
I don't think they actually look bad. They don't look bad.
Oh no!
What?
Oh, there's a light color on this. Oh no! It's like a milk mustache. Oh shit. I'm done. Okay? We're gonna be finished with it before it gets completely out of control. My nose is running now. I don't think it looks too bad for only having 17 minutes and 16 seconds. What do you think? She's over here laughing at me. Like the brows look weird.
I think they actually they look better than the other ones.
They look better than usual?
Yeah.
Ooh, maybe I'll have to rush through them more often.
I don't think that's the tip I'm giving you.
Like, usually it takes me quite a long time to get finished with my makeup. This was different for me. I don't think it looks that bad. Perfect? Absolutely not. No, it's not.
It looks like you're having eyeshadow on, but there's like a pink.
I know, it makes me so sad. Look, I love eyeshadow. Like, I would spend all day swatching and playing with eyeshadow if I could, but I just didn't have time to do all that today. So, I mean, if I had more time, I would throw a little bit more color in the crease and on the outer corner, but this is what you get for 15 minutes. Well, 17 minutes. That wraps up my fail at this makeup challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle and have an anxiety attack on camera.
Stop picking your nose with that.
It's running and I don't want to mess up my makeup. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I did the best I could. This is what I got in that time frame. If you liked what you saw or you like any of my other videos, please give me a big old thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Come back and see me again soon. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.